Well, I've got 10 minutes now, so if you've got 10 minutes, join me and let's create some beautiful patterns for the left hand. And keeping in our spirit of Einaudi lately with the ideas that we've been creating from his inspiration, let's keep exploring duplets and triplets and put some beautiful suspended chords together right now. Well, hi there, I'm Kylie and I love to share easy tips and tricks to inspire you to learn the love of music here on piano. I'm making videos every Thursday, and if you enjoy the content, then please subscribe. And if you consider joining my channel, that would really help me out. Well, let's start our creation today by piecing together 4 chords. So if we begin on a left hand here, and let's just rock backwards and forwards with this D and F here, suggesting a D minor tonality there. And let's just change one note, stepping down. And then let's add another black key down there as well. So it could be suggesting D minor, maybe an F cartwheel, and then maybe a B flat sort of a pattern there. Let's do 4 pairs there. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and down, 2, 3, 4. Let's do another set of that actually. Another 4, 3, 4, down, 2, 3, 4. And let's be mindful of our hand rocking backwards and forwards down there with a bit of a rotation movement from the middle of our hand to the thumb, back to the middle of our hand. So we're doing a very small rotation movement as we go. So let's add the right hand over the top. Here we go. Step it down from the F and the A to the E. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and then step down, and then let's step down the top. And then back up again to our F and our A. 1, 2, 3, 4, C on the bottom. Step your right hand down, left hand, right hand. So to our D and our F there. Let's go through one more time before we start changing some things up. So holding our F and A at the top, F and A again, then to our E and G, and then our D and our F. So here we go. All again. Let's now make a little variation and bring up our left hand from that lower octave up to above the middle C here. And let's see what that sounds like, putting it all together up there. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, that was it. Let's do it again. 1, 2, 3, left hand, 1, 2, 3, right hand, 2, 3, left hand, and right hand. So even though we're not changing the notes, the actual atmosphere of that sounds quite different again. So let's now put some ideas together. We could then also break our chord there in the right hand as well. So instead of holding the F and the A, we could also rock them. Right hand. So some little clashy sounds there, and Einaudi often uses different layers that create then like a suspension of chords where we have a little clash of those harmonies before they resolve over the top of each other. So lots of beautiful sounds. Now let's have a go with the TT idea and play single notes at a time across the chord. So instead of breaking anything there or breaking anything here with the chord, let's go up the pattern starting from the bottom note. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And all again. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. All again. Let's bring the octave apart again, and let's have a go at the duplet again. So 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, change. Both hands doing the rockings and down. And one more time. And now let's morph it into a triplet figure. So the 3 little counts as 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a left hand, 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a right hand, 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a left, 3 and a 4 and a 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Well, let's extend it one more time and add a little bit more of a stepping left hand. Let's do the octave with the D, F, D, F. Left hand. Change your right hand. All again. We'll create some patterns from that inspiration and see how you go creating your own ideas. Come join me now for some more improv ideas over here. Happy music making.